Hello, my name's Acidical Portal and welcome to my next YouTube video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a part that moves back and forth. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert a part into the workspace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this part moving part. I'm going to put a script inside of the part and I'm going to name the script moving part script. Now what we want to do is we want to actually edit the code at this point. So at this point, I'll get rid of hello world because that's irrelevant. So I'm going to do while true do. While true do is also called a while loop. So a while loop is a line of code or a set of code inside of a box, a scripting box. So they always have an end to them. So if I click that, it'll automatically put an end right here. But what it does is it executes a piece of code over and over again, or script rather, and it'll keep playing that script over and over again forever until it's told to stop. So, but if it doesn't have anything to stop the code, it'll keep going forever. So I'm going to put a wait here because the wait, you don't have to put anything in the wait, but the wait essentially tells the game that this has to happen first before anything else. So we're going to do for I. I means iteration. So 1 and 50 means that the script will do it 50 times, but between 1 and 50 times, the script that we're going to be making. So I'm just going to put the actual script part in here. So it'll be script.parents because now we're actually editing the code for the part itself. So script.parents.cframe equals script.parents.cframe and asterisk. So this means cframe.new. So now what we want to do is this is the actual coordinates or how much the part will be moving within the workspace. So we're going to do 0, 0, and we're going to move it on the z-axis. So this is the XYZ values. So this would be X, Y, and then Z. So we're just going to move it on the X-axis, and we're going to move it 0.5 studs. However, what the I does is that it'll execute this part 50 times. So it'll move at 0.5 studs 50 times. So what we're going to do is we're going to put another wait. And as you can see, it also put an end at the end of that wait. So now what we want to do is, because we're not at the end of the script, this end right here is the end for this piece of code right here. The end for this is the end of the entire while loop. So we don't want to put anything outside of this right here. So we're going to start the second part of the code. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to, I guess we'll copy this. So because we want to make it move back and forth. So and then we'll put another end right there. But this time what we want to do is instead of 0.5, we want it to be negative 0.5 because when we make it negative 0.5, it'll make it go all the way back to the point it was before, but now it'll be going back to where it started. And it'll keep doing this infinitely. So that's why we put two ends right here, because this ends this part of the script, and this end ends this part of the script, and then this end ends the entire code, if that makes sense. A little bit confusing, I know, but so I'm going to just to making the script look a little bit nicer. I'm going to put the weights right here. Just it's a way of organizing the script. It's nothing major, but it's stuff that will help you. It's good to organize your code so you can more. It's just good practice. So remember, this is anchored, or it's going to go bonkers. So we're going to press run, and yeah, here it is. So if you have an obby in your game or whatever, this will be great. You know that you can have a moving part You can change its size and all that, change its color, all that is the same. If you want to change different speeds, but still be in the same like be in the same kind of measurement area. So you could make this 100, you can make that 100. If you wanted to change like the distance it goes, you could make this one whatever. You can make it whatever values you want. So that's pretty much my video. If you guys liked it, like if you dislike it. I'm always making new content, so if you really found this useful, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good rest of your day.